Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. A very warm welcomes to you all in my channel. My name is Neetu Singh and you are watching English Talk Corner. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, so here I'm making conversations video and some solo video that how you can improve your English speaking journey. So here if you are really interested to make English conversations video with me, so definitely you can message me, otherwise you can comments me, and my Instagram ID is English Talk Corner. You can message me there also. Okay. So today I'll come with a story, and that is my friend's story, and I think that that is all who is working in a corporate sector life. Everyone have this type of the problem. Okay. So I this is my one of my friend. She's close friend of mine because I was working in a we both are working in the same company, and we met together. We are close. She is very close to me, and one day she called me, not called me, we were in the office, and suddenly she told me, okay, need to come here. So I said to her, okay, tell me, Ilma, what happens to you. She said to me, Nitu, I want to speak English language. So I normally asked to her, okay, so yes you can. I said to her, okay, you can. So first he asked me to, how do you learn this language. So I said okay, I did this and that's how I am learning this language. Okay. So first I said to her, okay, I am listening so many things in English. Okay, she agreed to me. Okay, I will listen also. Okay. So how did you speak this language? Like I am thinking that you are so confident while in English. So how the confidence come? So I said to her, like when I started this language for the first time, so at that time I don't have that much confidence. But if you hear talking about the confidence, once you will start your English speaking journey, then you will get also this types of the confidence. So slowly we are talking to each other. Then she tells me, need to like we in our company, like two types of data comes. First data, it's all in an English. We only can speak Tamil or in English language. So that is the South Indian people's data come in our office. Otherwise, the second data is like Hindi people's come, like they are from Gujarat, they are from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Indore, like this kind of the people's data will come. So, okay. So I always take English data because I think that they are very educated. If they will not respect you, they will not cut your call in the between us. Okay. So I called her in an English language. Okay. So she is very frustrated at the end. She told me, Nitu, I just want to learn this language. So I said, okay, you can start now. So I write everything in English. My script, I write everything. Okay. Good morning, sir. Can I speak to this? And I write it everything. Then I said to her, okay, you can note it down. Whatever the question, whatever the customer is asking, you just see in the register, and then you can give him that answer. Okay. So she said, okay, then Nitu, I will do that. Okay, I said to her, okay. So then I give him a one call. I gave her one call. Okay, Lilma, let's try to talk with that customer, and that customer is very nice. So she said, hello, good morning, sir. Can I speak to Mr. Rajiv Ranjan? So sir, so he said, yes, I'm speaking. And then she said, okay, sir, I am Zoya calling from Bharti Exam. Bharti. And she cut this call. She cut this call, and even I was laughing, and I was saying that you just said Bharti, and I am calling from, and you said my name is Zoya, and you don't have that much confidence, and in the middle of that, you cut. No problem, Ilma. It will take time. It's not your it. You are not habitual of this language. So I said to her, okay. So she said to me, Nitu, it will take time and I cannot waste my time because seniors wants work from our side. So I said, okay, no problem. If you want to learn this language, so do one thing. To get more confidence, you can start practice with me. And how you can start practice doing with me, Nitu, let's go there. Can you pass me this bottle? Let's go to the washroom. Let's go to the kitchen, and let's go to outside. And today I just want to eat momos. Let's go there. Today my friend is calling, and whatever you are doing, any message in WhatsApp, so you just send me an English. I said to her. At that time, she said, okay, Nitu, I will do that. So I am so happy that she will do that. After after 2 and 3 hours later, she comes to on my seat and she said to me, "तो चलो आज मोमोज खाने चले." I said to her, "Okay, make these sentences in an English and after that I will give you that answer in an English." चलना यार, चल, बता देना. So these kind of the sentence she starts speaking it. She started again. So I said to her, Ilma, if you really want to speak this language, so can you do that? So she said to me, this is my first time, so everything I cannot learn in a one day. It will take time. Okay, I said to her, okay, it's your choice. 2 or 3 days later, I don't know where is her passion goes, and she never said to me that I want to speak this language. When when I told to her like it will take time, you have to do this, you have to you have to make some efforts to learn this language. She said to me, Neetu, I am working in a company, I have very fixed time and 9 to 5 is my fixed time, and after that I have to do some stitching also, so I don't have any time to learn this language. So bhai, without giving you any time to this language, I don't think so no one can learn this language. No one can learn this language. If somebody is learning this language now, if somebody is speaking this language, so minimum that person give this language 10 to 15 minutes in a day, or it's not a one day class, it will take more. If here I'm talking about myself now, I took more 1 year to speak this language. So now it ups to you, what do you want to become? It's not a one day class that you are taking, and if you are working outside, so it's very important that you should know this language. Maybe your communication skills will be better, because if you are working outside, it's matter a lot that your communication skills should be good, right? That's why we all are learning. It doesn't matter you are like full time you are speaking Hindi, 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. If suppose that if you are talking in Hindi, and while talking in Hindi you just add your 2 and 3 sentences in an English, maybe it will not affect on your full conversations. No, you can start English speaking practice with your friends, your ma'am, your seniors, your colleagues, your family members. Here, if I will give you my example that how I am talking to my husband right now, like yesterday we were talking to something else, so I just said today is my mood off. Suddenly I said to her, today is my mood off, so today don't talk to me until my mood will be not okay, otherwise we will start fighting. Clearly I said to her, and he understand that, and he never tried to do these kind of the things, and I not feel bored. So guys, कहने I just want to say some things to you. If you really want to speak this language, if you are while talking, what you can do, you just make one sentence in an English, and that makes your confidence high, and you will see the results are coming, and that's how you can enhance your English speaking journey. I hope you like it, and that is very useful trick which I gave to you. That same technique I applied in my communication skills also, and one of my senior said to me, Neetu, your day by day your English becomes good. So what is the thing you are doing? I said to her, okay, no problem, I'm just speaking with the customers, and right now I'm just speaking with my senior. Two things I am doing. If full of concentrate on the customer. If that customer, he only can understand English, or only can understand Chennai, otherwise he cannot understand anything. So just put on that situation that you can speak that person. Okay, and there is one of my senior said to me, Nitu, he was on the call, he will not come outside of the phone and he will slap you. No, he will not do that. Okay, just go on the flow and just try to speak and put me on that situation that your inner, you have to speak this language from inner side. Okay, so bye bye guys, I hope you like this video and you will get some motivation, and now you can start your English speaking practice. Bye bye guys, तो मिलते हैं, लेट्स मीट इन द सेकेंड वीडियो एंड द सेम टाइम गाइज, आप देख ही रहे होंगे कि मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी बोलना स्टार्ट करती हूँ, बट आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. क्या हो रहा है भाई? So now it's become my habit. Okay, so now I just have a copy and pen, and I don't want to make this kind of the video, but then I thought, okay, today I have to make this video, and I shoot and I tell you a story like this. Okay, so bye bye guys, and if you like it, so please like करके जाना, and it motivates me to make more video for you. Bye bye guys.